how to fix message status fail on Instagram. So all you have to do here is to go here to your Instagram application, and let's say here on your chat section, you're chatting someone and the message does not go through, or the message is failed. So what you can do is, of course, check your Wi-Fi if you are connected still to a Wi-Fi, a strong Wi-Fi that can actually send strong enough to send a message. Now, the next thing here is, if your Wi-Fi doesn't work, then you can use the you can switch to cellular data there and use it to actually send the message. And if it's actually failed, if you try to refresh it and it still doesn't work, then what you can do is to type the same message and try to send it again. Now, if it still fail, then what you can do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device, because it might be a bug there. Then what you can do is to tap on search here and go to Instagram. And you have to make sure that you have actually updated your Instagram application here. Now you'll see here, if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated, because it's very important for you to update your application. It's because it's a newer version, and of course there are bugs that can be fixed by updating the application. And if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do is to go to your settings, go to your general, and go to your iPhone storage and search for Instagram there. And here you have to offload the application and just reinstall it again to refresh the application, and basically it will now fix your problem. Now, if it still doesn't work, then maybe there is a possibility that Instagram is currently down, and what you can do is just wait for it to be up again and for the Instagram community to fix that problem. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.